What is up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and we got another EcoBoost on the dyno. This one's Dan's. This is 2019, PD tuned like most of the ones we do. So we're just gonna throw it on the dyno, see what it makes. That's all we're doing today, no tuning. So what do you think it's gonna make, Dan?
360 horse, 390 torque.
360 horse, 390 torque. That's very specific. Zach, what do you think it's gonna make?
360, 415.
360, 415. I'm gonna be the low baller. I'm gonna say it's gonna make 350, 405. We'll see what it makes. We're gonna go ahead and spin it, do a couple runs. We'll video it. What do you guys think? Let's see.
Alright guys, so the first run on this car, we made 396 wheel horsepower and 477 wheel torque. Now this car has an intercooler, a catted downpipe, stock turbo, and what else? Some drop-in spark plugs, and that's really it. E30 tune from Ryan. So that's not a very long parts list for the kind of power it's making, which is pretty impressive. Like I said, almost 400 wheel horsepower and 477 wheel torque. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit and run it again and see what it does.
Alright guys, there you go, second run, 387 and 468. Not bad at all. This thing is a little ripper for sure. These 2018 plus cars are fantastic. That 10-speed auto is crazy. Now we're doing these runs in 7th gear, which means 170, give or take a little mile an hour on the dyno. So this thing was humming. Now, the reason that we see the little bit of drop that we did on the graph, you notice the intercooler. The intercooler is one of the street versions. Nothing wrong with it to daily driving, but if you guys plan on hot lapping your car and you want to do it racing, you want one of the bigger intercoolers, because what happens is these little intercoolers, they get heat soaked, and especially here in the dyno, we only have a couple fans on it. It doesn't have enough chance to keep that cool. The big race cores, the CVF Fab, the CV Fab, the ETS, all of those, they're the big race cores. They won't heat soak quite as much, and you'll maintain more power run after run after run. So just my thoughts on that. But what do you think? I mean, it made some good power.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Pretty happy?
Pretty happy.
Good. Yeah, I'm stoked with it. I'm sure Ryan will be stoked. We'll send him the pictures. But yeah, pretty impressed. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we will check you next time.